The other big news today is China. And they responded to folks early in the week. Remember Tuesday, the stimulus package? Everyone said, that's not necessarily a bazooka. Well, they added a whole lot of incentives. And now, in the immortal words of J. Paul Crocodile Dundee, that's a bazooka. And my first guest agrees. Joining me now, Kaltbaum Capital Management President, Fox Business contributor Gary Kaltbaum. Gary, I want to go to China in a moment, right? I want to go to China in a moment. I got to start, though, with you, because you've made our viewers so much money with these tech names in the past. For a while, you were sitting on dry powder. I know you put a lot of it to work. I want to start with Meta, because it seems like you're pretty pumped on this one.
On Monday the 16th, I was on your show and said Meta was sitting in a 5-month range, and if it broke above 545, I'm in, and that's what we did. It reminded us a little bit of when we came out in January on NVIDIA that was in a 5-month range and broke above and went up like 90% before you can blink. I don't think it's got the octane that NVIDIA had, but it's acting pretty darn well. And it's just about their numbers. We talk about all the time, we try to invest in greatness, and that means earnings are going up in a big way, sales are going up in a big way. We know there's a shelf life for most things, so we watch everything carefully. But that was a pretty darn good move, and let's hope it continues.
Yeah, by the way, I just got the chart up here for the folks. So relative strength surging, might be even overbought. Rate of change is surging. Money flows are surging. And to your point, this red line, that was the breakout, folks, that Gary's talking about. He bought that breakout. This is what he does. And the stock is up pretty nice. Giving a little bit back at the moment, but it's having a big move. You just referenced NVIDIA. I think NVIDIA is interesting because we still haven't taken out the high here, but you went ahead and pulled the trigger on some more.
Yeah, while I took a bigger position in Meta, I took a starter in NVIDIA again. And just so you know, we're very big in NVIDIA this year. I have been out because it's been under pressure. I just like the move it just made in the last few days. The CEO said he's not going to be selling anymore. I think that's helped. And if it stays above 120, we're in good stead. If it gets below, I may have to think twice. And if it continues to improve and then gets through next resistance, I'll add. And just keep in mind, it is pretty much the #1 semiconductor and tech stock, and we'll keep fingers crossed. And we just wanted to get a little bit early, and I think we're up about a couple of percent on this latest move, and hope it continues. Not the greatest day today. It was up much better, but I think we're okay for this second.
Yeah, I think there's a little bit of profit taking going on right now. But to your point, I think closing at a new high, NVIDIA always does this, right? Some other names that are on your list, Spot, Mercado Libre, which is free markets, and Kava. Let me ask you about Kava, because, you know, this was an IPO. It was a so-so IPO, but it's starting to pick up. And I think there's this sort of gravitation to this healthier fast food options, you know, whether it's sweet greens or Kava. And it's a real deal, isn't it? It's a real thing.
Let's hope. Interesting. I was noting last night Chipotle, that started out with one restaurant and now I think has 3,400. And the stock came public in 2006, a post-split or whatever split at $1. It's up 58-fold. We're not saying Kava is going to be the same thing, but from what I've seen in my little sampling, seems like they got game. Maybe the valuation's high here, but if they end up with a lot more restaurants and margins stay firm and everybody's happy, I think the stock's got a long way to go. Keep in mind the restaurant business is a very competitive business, but so far like what we're seeing, and we like the way the stock is acting.
No, the young folks love this niche of it without a doubt. You can argue, whether
hummus,
they're expensive.
Baby, hummus.
All right, real quick, you got a minute to go. So China, they added to this stimulus. Now it's a bazooka, right? This morning, David Tepper was on TV pounding the table out of this. Of course, he's got a big position. And it is intriguing because, first of all, the second largest position amongst these fund managers was short China equity. So you got this massive short position on it. In addition to that, Gary, I want to show the audience, very few, right? This is the prime book. The lowest exposure to China equities, right, in 5 years. So you've got a potential short squeeze. The narrative is beginning to change. I guess the question is, how far could it go from here? Is it a trade or could it be a longer-term investment?
Okay, first things first, the ETF FXI is up 17% this week, so it's already made a big move on two gargantuan gaps. So one hopes it pulls back, but I said the same thing on Tuesday. Secondly, David Tepper, the last time he said something like this was 2009 when Bernanke started with the money printing. The big key is this, and every viewer needs to know this. Markets and sectors and countries go in cycles. if you can catch underloved and underowned situations that turned into overloved and overowned situations, you're going to make a lot of money. And leave no doubt, China has been doing nothing for so long, way down for so long, and maybe, I'm not saying it is, maybe this is the start of something really good, and it is on notice. Our favorite name is Alibaba by far, but there are other things like JD, Tencent, which is TCEHY, another one at new highs. But again, up 17% this week. That's the ETF. I'm hoping for pullbacks. If we don't get it, well, I don't know how I'm going to board a moving train.
Hey, by the way, full disclosure, I have my trading subscribers in BABA and JD. The communist factor has me reluctant to get any long-term buyers in it just yet. Gary, good stuff.
And that is a factor, my friend.
It is a factor. Thanks a lot, buddy. Talk to you again real soon.